Want another reason not to talk to the police about your vehicle accident? Well, here it is, the 3-hour rule. Hi, I'm Northern Virginia criminal defense attorney Scott Nolan, and I'm going to talk to you about the 3-hour rule. In Virginia, the evidentiary breath test is only valid if it's taken within 3 hours of the driving. Now, usually this is easy to prove. The police officer has pulled you over. He knows what time he pulled you over. He marks that time down when he pulls you over, and then he can establish how long it was between the driving and the breath test. But what if the police officer comes upon you and you're a single car accident? Your car has hit a tree, you're in a ditch, you've broken down, whatever it is. How are they going to establish the time of driving? If they can't establish the time of driving, they cannot use the breath test against you. The way they're almost always going to establish the time of driving is because you're going to tell them. You're going to cooperate, and you're going to say, oh, well, it was just before you got here. Hey, it was 5 minutes ago. Well, I looked at my watch, and it was 10:12 when it happened. Don't do that. Don't tell the police officer when you were driving. Unless the prosecutor can prove the time of driving, they cannot establish that the blood or breath test was taken within 3 hours of the driving, and it won't be admitted at the trial. That could win you your case. So know your right to remain silent and use it. Again, you don't have to be a jerk. You don't have to be impolite. You just should not talk. If you have any questions about the 3-hour rule or any other area of the law, I'd be happy to talk to you about it. And you have a nice day.